Here are all the possible things that you can try to fix the audio delay or out of sync in VLC Media Player. First, end the VLC.exe service from Task Manager. Open Task Manager, go to Details tab. Scroll down to the window and select the VLC.exe service and simply end it. Now reopen the player and see if the issue is still there. Manually adjust the audio sync. It is possible that someone must have mistakenly made the audio track out of sync. You can manually reset it. Here is how. Open a video, press J to decrease the audio delay and K to increase the delay. Set it to 0. And if the audio is still out of sync after setting it to 0, then you can manually calibrate so that it syncs with the video. However, you need to do this synchronization thing every time you play a new file. But you can permanently set the delay in the settings. Click on Tools. Go to Preferences. Go to Audio Settings. On the bottom left corner, select the All Settings radio button. On the right panel, click on Audio. Now look for the Audio Desynchronization Compensation option. And there input the audio delay that you need to perfectly sync it with the audio. This is not a permanent fix for this, but it does the work perfectly. Another thing you can try is to reinstall the VLC player from the official website and see